In this guide, we're going over how you can emote with a pet here in Fortnite. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to do is just make sure that you obviously have a pet, which is a back bling or sidekick, actually equipped in your locker. So starting off on the homepage, select locker and then scroll down on this left hand sidebar until you see sidekicks. Open this up and make sure that you actually have a sidekick on here. I have a few different options on here. Let's just go ahead and say we want to go with, we'll go with the classic right here, Bonesy, right? Now, essentially, once you have your pet equipped, and I'm just going to leave it like this, all you need to do is start a match, land in the match itself. Your pet's going to obviously appear next to you and follow you around. You just got to open up your emote wheel, use any emote, and your pet will react and often dance along with you. It really is as simple as just equipping the pet and then, of course, emoting in-game. You can also interact with it by using the pet interaction emote, which will allow you to pet the pet, obviously. But that really is it. That is the entire process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.